Today we are going to discuss data transfer technology and scale. The most important thing in the internet is transfer of data from one computer to another computer. So to accomplish this task among different computers, the basic requirement is to establish different technologies to connect different computers with different scales. So there are different types of transmission technologies: broadcasting, multicasting, and unicasting. Unicasting is also called point to point. Now let us discuss broadcasting. So in this type of transmission, a single channel is shared by all the communicating devices connected to that network. So any device in that network can send data and it goes to all the other devices that are sharing the channel on the network, and the data is received by that device or a group of devices that requires the data. For example, a student standing outside the hostel and loudly calling a particular student, but that voice will reach to all the students in the hostel, but the student concerned will reply back to the call. So another example of broadcasting is commentary of a cricket match that is played at some remote place. Another technology is multicasting. So in this type of transmission technology, a single channel is again shared by all the communicating devices connected to the network. Now here, different sets of data sent by different devices are actually destined for different groups of computers, but goes to all the devices sharing the channel on the network and received by those devices which require the data. Let us take an example: a student standing outside the hostel and loudly calling the students of MCA. So the call will be listened to by all the students present in the hostel, but the concerned students, that means the students of MCA department, okay, will reply back to the call. Let us take another example: commentaries of different matches played at different places. Now, another type of transmission technology is point to point. It is also called unicasting. So in this type of transmission technology, a single channel is shared by only two communicating devices connected to a network. So data sent by one device will be received by another device present at the other side, for which the data is destined. Let us take an example. A student goes to the hostel room of a particular student, knock at his door and call him. So no other student in the hostel, okay, will be disturbed. So another example is ring up a particular person with whom you want to talk by dialing his number. So this is called unicasting or point-to-point communication. Now let us discuss scale. The computers can be connected in different ways and different scales depending upon the number of computers and area in which computers are located. So the computers may be located inside a room, it can be located inside a building, a campus or a city or throughout the world. So depending upon the area, the computer networks are divided into three categories: LAN, MAN and WAN. LAN is local area network, MAN is metropolitan area network and WAN is wide network. Let us discuss LAN. LAN consists of interconnected computers located inside a room, building or a campus. So LAN is mainly used to accomplish the task of local data transfer of the concerned office or the concerned organization inside their premises only among different computers. So LAN can be used to exchange messages, transfer files, etc. So this is the picture of a LAN. So here you can see in this picture one hub or a switch can be used to connect different computers. So one computer is the server out here and other four computers are the clients. So the clients can connect to the server Clients can also connect to other clients with the help of the server. Metropolitan area network. It consists of interconnected computers located inside a city or a network of other services like city cable television network. You all have cable networks at your home that is providing you internet connection also. So that is an example of MAN. So MAN ranges from many buildings to an entire city, and it is owned and operated by a single individual or an organization and is used by a number of individuals inside the city. So I had already told you that MAN can be used to provide television, broadcast, internet and telephone services inside a city. Depending upon the nature of the services provided by the MAN, multiple MANs can operate inside a city. One example is your city cable network. So this is an example. So inside a city, different computers or televisions are connected through MAN. Then we have wide area network. It consists of interconnected computers that is spread all over the world. The internet that you are using nowadays is an example of WAN. So WAN is used to accomplish the task of global data transfer among the computers located at different parts of the world. WAN can be used to exchange messages, transfer files, news, and can be used for vast range of applications. To accomplish the task, WAN uses leased telephone lines. WAN can also be wireless. WAN is used to connect different LANs and MANs so that an individual using one computer inside a LAN can send a message to another computer in another LAN. So here routers are used to accomplish the task. So internet is an example of internet can be used for vast range of applications. Some WANs, sometimes called corporate WANs, are built by some organizations for their own use, like bank have their own intranet. Banks have their own intranet. Okay, so this type of WANs are built because these WANs provide fast and secure service to the organization. For financial services, security is very important. So they use their own intranet for financial transactions. And when they deal with the public, they use the normal WAN. For example, the corporate WAN built by a public bank. So this is an example. The picture shows internet is spread all over the world. So the computers that are connected to the internet, okay, uses WAN. Use WAN. So for more details, I recommend you a book written by me, okay, where you will get all the details. So you can go through this book for more details. So in the next lecture, I will discuss about the components involved in data transfer and transmission modes. So thank you very much.